Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS IMPHAL SINDUNA Rite of Passage Ceremony 2024 Haina Mingthonba Graduation Ceremony ki Thouram ngasi RIMS ki Jubilee Hall da CHING LEMNA Pangthokkhre Thouram aduta Government of India ki Director General of Health Services Professor Atul Goyal RIMS IMPHAL ki Director G Sunil Kumar Medical Superintendent Professor N Sanjeev Dean Academic Professor Brozen Akhoizamna chingba miyoi kayana Presidium Member oina saruk yakhe Thouram aduga mari lainana Professor Atul Goyal na hai Haujiki matam asida aikhoigi punsi mahing semdokpagi tangai fadaba chauna leide aikhoina numit khudingi niyam kaina tawkhiba thabak thoram kayana tungda achauba mangjaba ama laknamagi maram oirakane Graduation amasung postgraduate singna anaba sing layengba matamda aduki matik cheksinba mathau tai loinana hidaki prescription iba matamda su cheksinna igadabane ana layengda changliba achauba senfam ase hanthanduna ataba mamalda khwaidagi faba layeng phanghangadabani haina mahakna makhatana phongdokhe.
Obesity actually is a national problem, and I am actually very glad that Honorable Prime Minister raised that point. However, it's a difficult thing to address, and perhaps people hardly know why it is there actually. So I would wish all doctors who are becoming MBBS or who are getting their postgraduate degrees to focus on lifestyle modification. To focus on that, you will have to first learn about lifestyle modification. I can go on and perhaps take a hopeful lecture on lifestyle modification, because that's the prime thing I used in internal medicine. That's the first armamentarium that I have, first ammunition that I have in my prescription. But I don't use it just for the sake of writing lifestyle modification. I actually tell my patient exactly what he has to do. And it will be something which will require some bit of study. It is not taught in MBBS. Just stopping smoking or stopping alcohol is not lifestyle modification. Lifestyle modification is about a lot of other things.